in line with Dubai's global vision to be the most advanced city on the planet. At Dana Lubes, we are constantly innovating to meet and exceed our client expectations. Established in the year 2002, Dana Lubricants Factory LLC is the lubricants and greases manufacturing arm of industrial conglomerate Dana Group. We live by our motto, adding value to oil, and manufacture high-performance lubricant products developed and optimized to deliver cutting-edge performance for various applications. Today, Dana Lubes has become the preferred choice for clients across more than 80 countries in 4 continents across the globe. We are manufacturing one of the world's finest automotive, industrial, marine, specialty lubricants and greases for more than 2 decades. Dana Lubes, headquartered in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and having 2 manufacturing facilities situated in UAE, spread over 300,000 square feet, where we are having state-of-the-art blending and filling equipment to cater to the needs of our clients. We use high-quality base oils and additives from the world's leading refineries and manufacturers. Our facilities are equipped with storage tanks of up to 20,000 MT of base oil, additives, and other petrochemicals. We are having our in-house laboratory where each batch is tested using the most modern testing equipment as per ISO 9001:2015 JOS ONS quality management standards. We also boast the presence of a full-fledged R&D center where new and upcoming methods of formulating high-quality engine oils and greases are implemented. Dana Lubes is also certified by leading international bodies like API, American Petroleum Institute, SAIL Europe, ACEA, European Automobile Manufacturers Association, EELQMS, European Engine Lubricants Quality Management System, ECAS, Emirates Conformity Assessment Scheme. We also have OEM approvals from the world's leading manufacturers like Volvo, MAN, Mack, Renault, Mercedes, Volkswagen. In addition to our manufacturing division, our petrochemicals division is actively involved in stocking and trading various petrochemicals from world's top refineries on a global level. With associate offices across Asia, Africa, and America, we are fully geared to meet our client requirements.